Adversaries use fake news to spread disinformation and false narratives. They do this by posting factually inaccurate or politically biased articles on blogs that are designed to look like legitimate news sites. They then share links to these articles on social networks, and all of these articles typically have sensational headlines. These headlines, which are considered clickbait, are designed to appeal to people's emotions and beliefs, and thus users will share links to these articles without realizing that they're propagating fake news. This tactic is effective enough to even fool accounts with large numbers of followers, such as celebrities, politicians, and news outlets. Once a rumor or lie has been spread in this way, it enters the public's consciousness and is therefore difficult to refute at a later time, even if the claim is debunked. Thousands of new fake social media accounts are created every day in order to perform these attacks. Social media accounts can be easily and cheaply purchased online, along with a host of other things, such as followers, likes, retweets, YouTube views, or anything else you can imagine. There are even companies out there that can be paid to run disinformation campaigns. Because of this, social networks are flooded with fabricated users and content, especially in the political arena. Since many of these fake accounts are actually operated by hand, social network companies have trouble identifying them and thus have trouble curbing these activities. Be wary of what you share, like, or retweet. If you encounter a sensational headline, check the authenticity of the article and the site it was posted on before deciding whether or not to share it.